In this video, we'll learn all about tables. First of all, let's create a table. Go to Insert tab. In Insert tab, here we have Table. Click on this button. Here you have two options. Insert Table. You can select from here, as you see on the screen, the desired number of row and the desired number of columns. Or you can go down here, Insert Table or Draw Table. Let's go to Insert Table. In Insert Table, here it's asked number of columns, 5, 4, 3. Let's call it number of column 4. And number of rows, let's call it 10. Okay, here auto-fit behavior, fixed column width, auto-fit to content, auto-fit to windows. We will study this later. Remember dimension for new tables. So unchecked. Okay. Entering data into table. Here you have in which cell you're gonna write. Place your cursor there, click there, start typing. For example, we are going to here with Monday. How you go to next tab? Tab key or arrow key. Tab key or arrow keys. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Next, here's the table. How can we delete or insert a row or column? Okay, first let's come to this column. First come to this row, and we try to delete this row. Select the row, right click, and go to delete. Here is your delete. Delete entire row. Delete entire column. With the entire column, it will delete the station column, or with the entire row, it will delete topmost row. Or with shift cell left or shift cell up, this will shift the cell which you have selected. So let's call it delete entire row. See, our first row is deleted. Okay, Control plus Z. How to insert a row or column? The same. Here we click in this cell, right click, insert, and insert column to left, insert column to right. So we said insert column to right. Here we got Control plus Z. One more way, place your cursor here, delete layout. Here you see delete cell, column, row or table. Our column is gone. Control plus Z. The same you can insert from here, layout tab, row and column group. Here you have insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. Let's call this time insert left. Here we got one new row. Okay, Control plus Z. Next, we see in the subbase first layer and difference. Here we want this text to come into the middle of cell, that it look a bit professional. So how we do it? We select the text or we select the cell we want to align. So we have selected, go to Home tab, and Home tab paragraph group. Here we have different alignment option. Justification, justify, align right, middle, left. So we call it align middle. Here we have our text aligned in the middle. If you see here at the above, we have one cell, but below that we have 3 cells. What is that called? It's called merging cell. We have merged 3 cells together, that we made it one cell, a large cell. So how we apply merge? Select these 2 cells, for example, go to table tool, layout, and layout. Here we have merge group. In merge group we call it merge cell. Here you see we have merged these 2 cells together. Next is applying shading or applying shade to a cell. Click inside the cell you want to apply shade, go to design, In design, here you see shading. Apply your favorite color of shading. Applying border. How we apply border? Click inside the cell, go to border, select your desired border. Here we see, for example, we are saying no border. We lost border for this cell.